Hello everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 10th, 2020. The last Sudoku is a tectonic one. Tectonic, or in Japanese, a.k.a. Suguru. Yes. And this will be number 1503. Yes. So let's get started. And the first strategy is to find the single box. I see here a single box, so the single box is always a 1. And do we have a dual box here? No. I see here a triple box. 1, 2, and a 3. I cannot fill this yet. The 2 is already filled in, so the other 2 should be 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Let me see here. 4 missing numbers in this area. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. So the boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Triple box 1, 2, and this is number 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 5 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. Then this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 3 are left in this area. It's just quadra box. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means these 4 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. We have a 5 here. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 4. Let me mark them. Oh, no. We have a 3 here. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and 1 box left in this area should be the 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. The 3 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be in these two boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. This box can also not be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be here. We have a 5 here, those two boxes cannot be a 5 anymore, so one box left for the 5 should be there. Two boxes left, the 3 and the 2 as a pair, let me mark them. These two should be also the 2 and the 4, let me mark them. We have a 4 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Then 2 boxes left in this area, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them. 1 and the 2. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 2. 2. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there in one of those 2 boxes. But if I have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. And the 1 goes here. We have a 1 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3. We have a pair, 1 and a 3 in these 2 boxes, so the other 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, let me mark them, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 should be in one of these 2 boxes. That means I cannot place a 5 in that box. Otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. Then let me see. We have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. 2, 3. Alright. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, definitely a 4, yes. Then this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 are filled in now. 1, 3 and a 2. Yes, this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them. 3 and the 5. That means these two boxes cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 1. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. That means these two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this area should be for the number 3. Finish in 10 minutes. 10 minutes for this Tectonic. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.